Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how I was able to make $16,000 within 4 weeks with high-ticket affiliate marketing. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to be notified on future videos. If you are looking to make money online, I recommend you join the high-ticket affiliate program I'm about to talk to you about. The program pays up to $2,000 commission for a single sale. I want you to take a look at my Stripe account. As you can see, just today, I've already made $4,100. In the last 4 weeks, I've made around $16,000 with this program. The program pays 100% commission, and it's by far one of the best high-ticket affiliate programs that I had to promote. It has everything that you look for in a program. It has a webinar, it has an autoresponder, and it has a bunch of testimonials of people all over the internet making a lot of money with this program. Really, all you have to do is to drive traffic to the capture page, and the system will do all the selling and follow up for you. Now let me give you 5 reasons why you should promote high-ticket offers. First and foremost, high-ticket programs have the potential to bring in a lot of money for the people involved. While it may seem counterintuitive to ask someone to spend a large sum of money up front, the truth is that high-ticket programs often have a much higher return on investment than their lower-priced counterparts. For example, a program that costs $10,000 may seem expensive, but if it helps the participant earn $100,000 in the long run, then it's a good deal. Secondly, high-ticket programs often come with more resources and support. Because the participants have invested a significant amount of money, the program creators have more incentive to provide them with everything they need to succeed. This may include things like one-on-one coaching, access to a community of like-minded people, and a wealth of training materials. These resources can be incredibly valuable in helping participants achieve their goals. Thirdly, high-ticket programs often attract a higher caliber participants. Because the investment required to join is so significant, only those who are serious about achieving their goals will be willing to take the plunge. This means that the program will likely be filled with people who are dedicated, motivated, and willing to put in the work. This can create a positive and supportive environment that is conducive to success. Fourthly, high-ticket programs can help create a sense of exclusivity. When people invest a significant amount of money in a program, they often feel a greater sense of ownership and commitment. This can lead to a feeling of exclusivity and can create a sense of community among the participants. Fifthly, high-ticket programs can be a great way to filter out tire kickers and those who aren't serious about achieving their goals. When the investment required to join is high, it acts as a natural barrier to entry and weeds out those who aren't truly committed to making a change. This can create a more focused and dedicated group of participants who are all working towards a common goal. Finally, promoting high-ticket programs can help to create a sense of trust and credibility. When people see that others are willing to invest a significant amount of money in a program, they are more likely to believe that it's a legitimate and worthwhile endeavor. This can help to build trust and credibility, which can be invaluable in the world of business. You will find below this video the link of one of the best high-ticket affiliate programs to promote at the moment. Thanks for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.